Wholesaling is a common strategy in real estate where an investor finds a property, secures a contract, and sells that contract to another buyer. It is essentially acting as a middleman between a motivated seller and an investor who wants to renovate or hold the property. Because the wholesaler never actually takes ownership of the property, they do not need to provide a traditional down payment for the purchase. The process involves finding a seller, securing the right to buy, and finding an end buyer who pays for the assignment of that contract. Unlike flipping a house, wholesalers focus on the paperwork and the deal itself rather than the physical renovation of the building. Wholesaling requires significantly less upfront cash compared to traditional renovation projects, though it requires significant time spent hunting for properties. Always remember that success relies on finding motivated sellers and building a solid network of cash buyers who are ready to act. Real estate laws vary by state, so always research local regulations before starting. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more basics.